as a complete beginner and someone with 0 followers, can you get into digital marketing? Yes, you can. Absolutely. All you need is a proven process, a blueprint that shares with you the step-by-step process that you need to take or that you should take to earn money online. And what does that process help you understand? Well, it shows you how to set up your own automated online system so that your online business is working for you automatically 24/7. This then enables you to have a 2-hour workday. In other words, you do income earning activities in those 2 hours. And what does that look like? Well, this is where you become relatable and discoverable to your ideal customer. For me, for example, it's for those of you who love to travel, who want to travel more, who want to have more time to travel, who want to have more money to travel and more freedom to travel. And so maybe you're bogged down by your current job or the limit of what you're able to earn, and this digital marketing opportunity where you need absolutely no experience, 0 followers on social media, is going to share with you the step-by-step process that you can do and undertake on a daily basis so that you too can earn money online from wherever it is in the world that you are at. If you'd like to learn a little bit more, pop ready in the comments below. I'll send you that free blueprint and you can see if it's time for you to get started so that you have got the travel freedom available to you and be able to travel where you want, when you want, and not just that, but in the style that you want. Have a beautiful day.